Check, 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 check. Voice coming by. Voice Vastunda. Hello. Voice Vastunda bhai. चलिए, great. Okay, great. Good evening, bhai. Good evening, everyone. So, how is the life going? Some exams are going on. Some people, I think, exams are also going on. No. ठीक है. No. Huh? How's that possible? Pre-final preparation वगैरह something going on. ICSE board exam. Yeah. चलिए, great. So geology class over. Geology class over. Anurag sir would have come. Great. And before that, Mohit Pandey sir class was there. Physics also done. चलिए, great, बहुत बढ़िया. Glad to meet you too, भाई. Means virtually meet you. चलिए भैया. Great. So that today's topic which we are going to start in chemistry is inorganic nomenclature. Right? So I will give you a brief idea about chemistry first. Then I will tell you why this topic is important for us and why this topic is covered during the foundation time. So देखिए भाई, chemistry has three major parts. That is called physical, inorganic, organic. Could you tell us in some Telugu also? Nah. No. I'm chemistry teacher. Telugu, whatever I knew, I spoke in the last meeting. All my Telugu is over now. Clear? Now only one more word I know, that is Battathala. Ab Battathala, where should I fit in teaching? I don't know. Then bhai? चलिए भाई, देखिए, focus. So chemistry is physical, inorganic, organic. Physical means majorly numerical sciences. Organic means majorly carbon based compounds. Have you read carbon in your junior classes? Carbon. One chapter used to be there, carbon, in class 9th. Remember something? Carbon. Gaining 4 electron or releasing 4 electron require too much energy. That's why carbon prefer to share the 4 electrons. Remember something like that? Can bhai? हाँ. So भाई साहब, carbon compounds are majorly going to cover in organic chemistry. Now we have inorganic chemistry भैया. Inorganic chemistry we cover rest all elemental chemistry. That means the study of all these elements and little bit of carbon also comes under the inorganic part. Is the idea clear? Numerical sciences, physical. For example, I'll give you the example which you remember. Remember something as mole. Remember mole? 1 mole was there, 2 moles, given mass by molar mass, something like this. This you might have done in class 10. Bilkul mole concept. That is numerical sciences. Do you remember something like PV equal to nRT also told kya? PV equal to nRT. Remember PV equal to nRT? Bilkul. Ideal gas equation. Correct. Bilkul. Organic chemistry. I'll give you one example. Have you heard about methane, ethane, propane, heard about these people? Clear भाई साहब? बिल्कुल heard about these people? बिल्कुल, they are alkane, alkene, alkynes, बिल्कुल correct. Alkanes, alkenes, alkynes. Then you will learn about aromatic, aromatic compound. Aromatic compounds are those compounds from which the smell comes. Awesome smell comes. Such kind of compounds are aromatic. Aroma. Aroma means smell. So from there the word comes aromatic. Aromatic. Then you will learn about alcohol, phenol, ether, aldehyde, carboxylic acid, and amines. This will majorly cover the organic of whole junior inter, senior inter. Clear, bhai? Phenol, have you seen phenol? Phenol, have you seen in your life? Phenol. Ester also, carboxylic acid and derivative. They will mix with each other. They will form ester. Alcohol with acid will form ester. Bilkul, phenol is used as phenyl. Have you heard phenyl? Phenyl. Phenyl is phenol. Phenyl is phenol only. Just that you cannot use the word phenol for the commercial purpose. So they use the word phenyl for cleaning of the house we use. So phenol is a very famous disinfectant in India especially. Very cheap, cheaper than Lysol. Lysol, all. Lysol, all this is organic chemistry. And whatever is those things like metal, non-metal, one chapter was there. Remember metal and non-metal? One chapter used to be there. If anyone remembers, bhai, metals and non-metals. Remember metals and non-metals? Bilkul. So metal, non-metal, metalloid and all their reactions, all their occurrence, all their uses, all those will come in the inorganic part. Now the problem is chemistry is a language here. Chemistry is a beautiful language. If language you have not understood, you will not be able to understand chemistry. Like for example, I will say, tell me, if I say, have you heard the word ferric? Ferric. Chloride, bromide, iodide, ferric. Very common. Ferric. Iron, na? Iron. Ferric is iron. Pakka, sure. Then what is ferrous? Ferrous. Ferrous. Ferrous is also iron. Achha, we know one of them is +2, one of them is +3. We know that. We know one of them is +2, one of them is +3. Yes or no? We know. Some of you will also know ki which one is +2, which one is +3. But at least we know कि sir one of them is +2, one of them is +3. अच्छा, do you agree? कि confusion तो is there. कि which one is +2, which one is +3. We have mugged up. Say yes or no? In class 9, 10th you have used the word ferric and ferrous, but you have mugged up na? कि this one is ferric and this one is ferrous. Say bhai yes or no? Say bhai, isn't it? नहीं? तेजस्विनी? Think. ठीक है. Why we say Fe+3 as ferric? Why we say Fe+3 as ferric? Why we say Fe+3 as ferric? Why? Why? Gains 3. Maybe. Guessing game nahi. Surely if someone know ki why we say ik is trivalent, theek hai, accepted. People are saying +3, ik is trivalent, correct? Correct, +3. Ab dekhe, one more I will give you. Lo bhai, plumbic. Ab this bhai sahab is Pb+4. Beta, show off will not work. Show off will not work. Tell bhai, tell. Ki nahi sir, I will say I know, then I will put some logic. Nahi. Ik means It means large number. अच्छा, चलो one more example I will give. लो भाई लो, see one more example. HClO4, chlorine is +7. Very large number means you wanted to say charge. I will make it simplified for you. +7, very large number. Very large. What should I call it? Chloric or not? Chloric. Say bhai. Yes. Chloric. Thick and overs are universal nomenclature given to species with beta cut copy paste will not work. Cut copy paste will not work. This definition you will be able to not even apply on the board right now also. Thick and overs will come, we know. 1%, right? Two different oxidation states is there, we know. We know obviously there are two different oxidation state, variable oxidation state. Which one is ick? And beautiful thing here, chloride ledu. Na. Chloride is Cl minus. Chloride is Cl minus. Acha, what happens? Why I am teaching this topic? Understand? I ask my student, better write down chlorine. Write down chlorine. They write Cl minus. I say write down chloride. They are writing Cl. I say write chlorine atom. Then Cl will come. Chlorine, Cl2 will come. Chloride, Cl minus. This is elementary idea. More important, this is not chloric, bhai. This is perchloric. And chloric is HClO3. Chloric is someone else. Chloric is also there. Are you getting this mystery of chemistry? If anyone else is there who is saying, nahi sir, I have understood, I have not mugged up to now. Anyone, I will ask more question. Till the time you will accept, nahi sir, we have mugged up. We have mugged up. By this time, we have only mugged up. Okay, someone has done better mugging, better than others. And some people would have done bilkul rote learning. Rote learning means zero concept. But somehow, I'm not explaining, I'm just telling you these names, some people were saying, sir, we know these names. So I was explaining them, they have no idea. Something happened. A problem is, all this thing will not be taught in any of the chapter of junior inter. All these things are supposed to be known before class 10th. You can ask any one of your akka anna is there. Ask them, ki anyone teaches this thing in junior inter in any chapter where these names are covered? No. Clear, bhai? Ahmed, for that only we are sitting here, bhai. Ahmed, till now the class not started. Till now class is this. I am teaching you why I am teaching this. Firstly, I am making you understand ki what is exact thing you should have known by this time. Ahmed, if you are not able to understand, that is why this foundation course is there. Why we need this syllabus right now? Why we need to understand this before you enter in the junior inter? Is that so that when junior inter syllabus will start, then Ahmed, you will not say, Tabassum, you will not say, sir, I don't understand. When junior inter will start, I said in the last meeting, when junior inter start, first 2-3 months, bhaiya, goal. No idea what is going on. After that, people leave the syllabus. Why 16 lakh people are there? And only 1 lakh are able to become doctor, less than 1 lakh. Because half the people stop the preparation by seeing these kind of things. Chala confusion. What is the name of which ion? Because this is lead. This is lead. Lead. Lead +4 ion. Why are we calling him plumbic? And when I will write Pb2+, I will call him plumbus. I will call him plumbus. So here, there is something called as IUPAC nomenclature of organic chemistry that is there in the syllabus. Word root is meth, eth, prop, but, correct? Clear, bhai sir? Meth, eth, prop, but, these kind of names are there. We look in the that is taught in the syllabus, properly taught in the syllabus. Then there is something else called as inorganic nomenclature. That inorganic nomenclature is never taught in any syllabus, and NCERT as well as NTA as well as the board people are assuming that the student will magically learn all these things without teaching. No single chapter teaches you inorganic nomenclature. So that is the reason. Bilkul. You all have mugged up pent, hex, hept. Logic is there. When you say methane, logic unda, meth, all single bond to ane. When you say ethene, logic unda, eth, word root, and double bond there. That's why ene. Certain things we will have to remember. But logic is there, pattern is there. That pattern I am going to teach you in the inorganic chemistry. Because for carbon, you have done mastery. For one element, we have done mastery. But for remaining all the element, how we will know which element we are talking about? Chamka bhai. If I say sodium chlorate, sodium chlorate reacts with XYZ to form something, I will say. Sodium chlorate react with something to form something. People write, dekho, now someone has sent the message NaCl. Beta, that is sodium chloride. Are you understanding where problem will come? You will read each and everything, but you will not understand question in the exam. Are you getting the problem? Clear? Shruta, correct. Understanding the part. Now KVS is saying NaOCl. Bilkul, NaOCl is also something, but that something is called hypochlorite. This something is called hypochlorite. So my work is in this week, whole week, 6 classes. My work is to make you expert in all these names. Is the idea clear? My work is very simple. My work is that I will start from the elementary basic, ki how these names have come. Clear, bhai? Then logic behind these names. And at the end of the week, last day, I will ask you same question. And Ahmed and Tabassum, guarantee I can tell you, you might be able to answer on tips. Is the story clear, bhai? Understood why this topic taken? Understood the idea? Clear? Chaliye. Now let's start. This is called as what? This thing, this colorful thing on the board. What is this called, bhai? Periodic table. Kya baat hai? Periodic table. Acha, I'll tell you one small story. Chinna story is there. You might also be, you might, story means chemistry story only. When I started teaching, chalo, you are in class 10th. So still very early you are starting. I started teaching. After that, I thought one acid is there. Dekho bhai. I thought one acid is there. Periodic acid. One acid came. One student brought the doubt, sir, what is periodic acid? Acha, I thought periodic acid means some acid of the periodic table. Some acid of the periodic table. Then after 6 months, I got to teach inorganic chemistry. Then I read the basic theory of class 10th. Then I realized it is not periodic acid. I said perchloric acid. Few moments back I was writing perchloric acid. Similarly, this is per-iodic acid. This is per-iodic acid. You can understand, after becoming teacher for the first 6 months, I did not know this is not periodic acid. Spelling same. And I was teaching at that time, I was teaching physical chemistry at that time. I was teaching in one of the good batches in Kota. One of the top institute, Resonance was going on at that time. Resonance you might have heard of IIT JEE. At that time as a teacher, I came to know later ki acha, class 10th, how important class 10th is. 9th and 10th is the actual basic. Chaliye bhai. So now we are going to start with periodic table. Sir, are you going to give some mnemonics, some song? That will also happen when the periodic table will be going on. Some songs will also come, some mnemonics will also come, which will help you remember this table. But today that objective is not there. Our today's objective is very simple. Our objective is kya? We have to know all these people oxidation state. We have to know all these people oxidation states. Oxidation states. Acha ji, what is oxidation states? Better write down in the notebook now. Notebook here, please open notebook here, please. Without notes, there is no learning. If you came here only to see, let's see how they are teaching, then bhai sahab, demo over. Bye bye, good night. Have bhojanam. But if you are here to learn, without notes, without revision, nothing will happen. So make sure that you make the notes now. Oxidation states. In oxidation states, bhai, what is oxidation state? That is imaginary charge on an atom. When all other atoms go out as ions. It is the imaginary charge on an atom when all other atoms go out as ions. The imaginary charge, not real charge. Real charge will be +1, +2, +3 maximum. -1, -2, -3 maximum. So up to 3 only you can have charge. Oxidation state means imaginary charge, not real charge, imaginary charge. It can have any imaginary value. It can have a value of +1/3. It can have imaginary value of +1, +2, +3, +5, +7, +8. Imaginary charge on an atom when all other atoms go out as ion. That is called oxidation state. Is the definition clear? Definition. Pranav, I will go to that. Firstly, let me start with atom here. If you know atom, then I will go to ion. When I will go to ion, automatically radicals, cations will get covered. So, bhai, tell me one thing. Definition okay yaar? Definition is oxidation state is imaginary charge. So what I want to make you understand is imagination has no boundary. So this can be -2, -3, -4, -1/2, -0.222, -0.678438, +8, +7. These are imaginary charges, not real. Real charges are 1, 2, 3, -1, 2, 3. Either 1 electron will go, 2 electron will go, or 3 electron will go. 1 you will take, 2 you will take, or 3 you will take. You cannot take or give more than 3 electrons. Sir, who said this thing? Carbon chapter said. In carbon chapter class 9th, first page, line was there. Ki bhaiya, carbon cannot gain or lose more than 3 electrons. Carbon cannot gain or lose more than 3 electrons. Class 10th, chalo 10th. Cannot gain or lose more than 3 electrons because chala energy required, high energy required. That's why carbon prefer to share electron. Now, what is actually oxidation state? Dekho bhai, simple language I will tell you. Whenever bonds are made, who is responsible for the bond formation? Electrons. Who is responsible for bond formation? Ahmed, focus what I'm saying. Focus what I'm saying. I'm saying the same thing in the simpler language now. Who is responsible for bond formation? Electrons. Yes or no? Ahmed, yes or no? Who is responsible for bond formation? Electrons are responsible for bond formation. Now, there are 2 types of electron I can say. One is last shell, valence electron. One is inner shell, intervening electron, inner electron, intervening. What's the name? Intervening. Inner electron and outermost electron. Ahmed, clear? Everyone clear here also? Vamsi, who are these 2 people? Twins ho gaya tum? Vamsi, are you twins? Acha, one head only kya? Theek. हाँ भाई, अच्छा, ओ हो आए यार, वंशी has switched off the video. देखिए भाई, Who are responsible for bond formation? Give me one answer. Who is responsible for bond formation? Which particle is actually having the responsibility, बाध्यता for bond formation? Electrons, bhai. Electrons. Which electron? Valence electron. Which electron? Valence electron. Last shell electron. Last shell electron, valence electron. Last shell valence electron, बाध्यता is to make bond. Who will make the bond? Valence electron will make the bond. Now, valence electron makes the bond. Now, understand carefully. Bhai, first group. This is called first group. This is called second group. This is D block in the middle here. This is D block. This we will not read right now. 13 group, 14 group, 15 group, 16, 17 and 18. देखें भाई, if you came to know how many valence electrons are there, how many valence electrons are there, if you came to know how many valence electrons are there, you can tell the highest oxidation state. Clear bhai? Let's see. First group, 1 valence electron. Second group, 2 valence electron. So the highest oxidation state, highest imaginary charge, highest oxidation state or imaginary charge equal to valence electron. Last shell electron, valence electron. So highest oxidation state is valence electron. So first group element, they have 1 valence electron, highest oxidation state 1 only. Second group 2. Drama start from 13 onwards. 13 onwards, unit place. 13 onwards, unit place you will take. Unit place. Unit place. So how many valence electron? 3. So highest oxidation state plus 3. Here I am writing highest oxidation state. What is that? Plus 3. 14 plus 4. 15 plus 5. 16 plus 6, 17 plus 7, 18 plus 8. Say bhai, how much maximum imaginary charge you can have? If you don't want to use the word oxidation state, you can use another word, that is imaginary charge. Imaginary charge, that is easy yaar. Imaginary charge to easy word. Charge is very common. Say bhai sahab, yes or no? Understood bhai? So highest oxidation state is imaginary charge. Imaginary charge. Sir, then valency of helium. Beta, helium and hydrogen, these two we will keep separate. These two we will keep separate only. Hydrogen does not belong to any group. Helium belongs to 18 but have only 2 electrons. Those are 2 separate first paired elements. I am talking about all the general element who react and form compound. I am talking about nomenclature. That's why noble gas is none of my concern right now. Today my concern is up to only 17 group because they can form compound. Noble gases, helium, neon, argon do not form any compound. Then bhai, chali. We'll talk about that. Dekho bhai, understand one thing very important. You cannot learn everything in one single time. It is impossible to learn everything at a single time. So you need to understand one by one. One by one. Shruta, helium, neon, argon, I said. Shruta, I know some people will do show off. That's why I said up to argon only. Ho gaya show off. Now can I continue? Can I continue? चलिए भाई, देखो भाई, focus on the board. Focus on the board. 13 group plus 3, 14 group plus 4, 15 group plus 5, 16 group plus 6, 17 group plus 7 is the highest oxidation state. Say bhai, is the highest oxidation state prediction clear to us? If you know the group number, unit place will be highest. Say bhai, correct? Abhigna, hello. Your sister is there kya? So let her read yaar. हैं क्या? ओनली वन डॉक्टर रिक्वायर्ड इन हाउस, क्या लेटर रीड क्या यार? चलिए, हाँ जी, फोकस ऑन द बोर्ड, फोकस ऑन द बोर्ड। 13 ग्रुप प्लस 3, 14 ग्रुप प्लस 4, 15 ग्रुप प्लस 5, 16 ग्रुप प्लस 6, 17 ग्रुप प्लस 7। तो व्हाट इज द ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट ऑफ ऑल ऑफ देम? फोकस ऑन द बोर्ड भैया, वन मोर टाइम आई एम राइटिंग। ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट हाईएस्ट, तो हाईएस्ट ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट, here you will get +1, here you will get +2, here you will get +3, +4, +5, +6 and +7। 13 group 13, 13 group 3, 14 group 4, 15 group 5, 16 group 6, 17 group 7। अच्छा प्रशांति, हाँ ठीक, हाँ जी, फोकस ऑन द बोर्ड। क्लियर क्लियर भाई, क्लियर क्लियर। चेक वंस अप टू हियर, एनी प्रॉब्लम? 13 ग्रुप प्लस 3, 14 ग्रुप प्लस 4, 15 ग्रुप प्लस 5, 16 ग्रुप प्लस 6, 17 ग्रुप प्लस 7। Sir, what about transition element then? Salisha, I said you cannot learn everything in a single day. Devi, step by step ना। क्यों भाई? Only one thing you don't know क्या? Remaining all you know. Right now I'm starting highest oxidation state. Now I will tell you how to find lowest oxidation state. Then how to do calculation of oxidation state. Firstly, you will cover S block and P block. If expert in that, obviously we will go to D block also. 6 days I have, not 6 minutes, 6 days only. तो first day है, first day, first half an hour. Today also roughly 1 hour is left. चमका भाई, slow, chill, relax, enjoy and try to understand भाई. Focus on the board. Up to here I think clear. Next, after 6 days you will get the next organic. After that you will get physical chemistry. Done bhai? For this topic 6 days are there. So let's see now what we have understood. Highest oxidation state. So what is our conclusion bhai? Our conclusion is that ki bhaiya for group number 1, highest imaginary charge. Now start getting one habit of using the word oxidation state here. I know it will be a little bit problematic for you to learn a new word and start using it, but if you will not use it, it will remain a problem and you will not be able to use the language, because question will not come in imaginary charge language. The question will come in the language of oxidation state. So highest imaginary charge or oxidation state, group 1 +1, group 2 +2. After that, there is a sudden difference coming here. Group number 13 will come. After 2, we get 13, then 14, then 15, then 16, then 17, and at the last 18. Up to 17 is enough for us. So, bhaiya, 13 group plus 3, 14 group, unit place, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6, plus 7. So these are the highest oxidation state, highest imaginary charge. One beautiful thing that happens here in group number 1 and 2 is that these 1 and 2 group, they have only this oxidation state. There is no other oxidation state. Very committed people, very dedicated people, first and second group element, they show only +1, they show only +2. I used to call them Virat Kohli because Virat Kohli was very consistent. Then IPL 2022 happened and Virat Kohli got out 5 times on 0, still consistent. Virat Kohli was very consistent this year also. Virat Kohli in IPL this year got 0, 5 times. That is also consistency, but that kind of consistency you should not learn from him. But anyway, consistently group 1 and group 2 always show +1 and +2. So here highest, lowest, everything is same. Group 1, group 2, both are +1 and +2. Done. Now, can you tell me, these are highest oxidation state. Can you tell me number of valence electron here? Number of valence electron here. Number of valence electron here. Number of valence electron. In 13 group, how many valence electrons are there? 3. In 13 group, how many valence electrons are there? 3. 14 group, 4. 15 group, 5. 16 group, 6. 17 group, 7. This should be on our tips. This information should be on our tips. Group number we know. 13 group 3, 14 group 4, 15 group 5, 16 group 6, 17 group 7. Whichever the group number unit place is there, from 13 onwards, that will be the number of valence electron. Done bhai? Now, देखो भाई, focus. Keep your eyes here. Lowest oxidation state. Lowest oxidation state. What is the lowest oxidation state? Lowest oxidation state. देखिए भाई, how to find the lowest oxidation state? Highest is valence electron. Lowest is valence electron -8. Lowest will be valence electron -8. 8 is a magic number in chemistry, bhai. Octet. 8 is a magic number in chemistry, octet. So lowest oxidation state is valence electron -8. Valence electron -8. Valence electron -8. What is valence electron -8? Sir, valence electron -8 is lowest oxidation state. What is highest oxidation state? Sir, highest oxidation state is equal to number of valence electron. Highest oxidation state is number of valence electron. Highest oxidation state is number of valence electron. Lowest is valence electron -8. For example, for 13 group, 3 - 8, so -5 is the lowest. For 13 group, -5 is the lowest. Can you tell me for 14 group the lowest oxidation state will be how much? For 14 group, valence electron -8, 4 - 8, how much will come, bhai? क्या बात है? ख्याति, तेजस्विनी, दिव्या. अच्छा, you are listening. चलो, very good. चलो भाई, nice. Now good feeling coming. अरे भाई, here also Sanjeet, Mohammed Lakshmi, Kusumanjali. ठीक है, चलो धन्यवाद. Answers will come. That means you are listening. And if you are listening, energy will be double. बिल्कुल -4. अच्छा, in the middle ना, suddenly in teaching, in the middle it might happen कि my voice will become very loud. So don't think I'm angry. I sometimes get overexcited. ठीक है भाई? तो I start shouting. Clear? Face can become suddenly red. So chill. हाँ जी. I'm telling you beforehand because sometimes earphone will start breaking because voice becomes suddenly high. Today the throat is not proper, but in future lectures might happen. चलिए भाई. So 5 is there. 5 - 8. 5 - 8 -3 भाई. 6 - 8. 6 - 8 is -2 and 7 - 8 -1. Check. Lowest oxidation. Now we got range. Now we got the range. We got the range now. Lowest we got and highest we got. Highest oxidation state valence electron. Sir, how can I know valence electron? Simple trick. Group number unit place. Group number unit place is valence electron. So here 3, here 4, here 5, here 6, and here 7. Tell bhai, here any problem, samasya, pida. In group number 1 and 2, life is chill. Highest, lowest does not matter. Only one oxidation state. 1 electron +1, 2 electron +2. Aipoindi. 13 onwards drama start. Main drama is 13 onwards. Main drama is 13 onwards. Is the drama number 1 clear? Acha, हाँ. Let me tell you one more thing. I am teaching you nothing beyond 10th and 11th. I'm not teaching, sorry, nothing beyond 9th, 10th. I'm teaching you from there only, but I'm extracting that information that you need in junior intern. I'm compiling it for you. Your 2-year in foundation, what the basic should be strong, bhai. Clear? Done? So keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. It will be a revision only for many of you, but beginning will be revision. Once I will make your base in 1 lecture, 2 lecture. After that, the remaining questions that will come, I can challenge this. Bring AIR 1 also. They will also not know that much detail of class 10th. This, you bring your Akkan, na, who are not taught by me. Huh? Bring someone taught by someone else, not taught by me. Otherwise, they would have attended this class somewhere or the other, or not seen the video somewhere. So keep this in mind, bhai. Basic will always be easy. So don't feel, "Arey, sir is teaching easy, I don't need it." Bhai sab, base will be easy only. Firstly, I'm bringing everyone to your level. And once all people will come to your level, then real IQ test will happen. Then we will see. Once everyone know equally, then I will give you the question. Done, bhai? Na bhai, na. Akshara, nahi. This is there in CBSE board also. This is in all the board. But just basic going on. That's why. Up to class 10th, this competition happened, na? ICSE versus CBSE, which is better? Up to class 10th. And ICSE people say, my board is very tough, marks come difficult. Of course, CBSE. And CBSE will say, no, sir, CBSE is tough. State board will say, Arey, you don't know about state board. And after that, when universal exam comes, NEET, then everyone agree that NEET is tough. NEET to chala tough. Achha, right now people will not agree. Right now I will tell you. Right now your situation is, right now you are thinking, Arey sir, AIIMS Delhi, so in 3 seconds I will crack. Wait for 2-3 tests. 2-3 tests later you will realize, achha, that's why, kya? That's why that is big name is there for NEET and JEE exam. Anyway, highest and lowest oxidation state clear to us? Highest and lowest clear, bhai? Oxidation state. Hi, Aparna. That's the problem. Exams are based on CBSE syllabus, NEET and JEE. There is a partiality that happens. But anyway, Viligindi. Viliginda. Viliginda means Mentos light bulb of the brain glowed. Chaliye bhai. Let's carry on. Noted also, bhai? Noted? Akshara noted? Anisa? Okay. Jashwant? Nilesh to doing some other time pass? Hanji, here noted by everyone? Great. Chaliye. So let's carry on. Bhai. Let's focus. Highest, lowest oxidation state we have got. Now let's see how to calculate oxidation state of an atom in a molecule or ion. Calculate oxidation state of an atom in a molecule or ion. How to calculate the oxidation state of an atom in a molecule or ion, bhai? Now, we must have some information, bhai. Some information should be there with us. That information we will use, and using that information by a little bit calculation. Kuncham calculation you will handle, na yaar. Kuncham. Plus minus multiplication division. Very little bit calculation you will handle, bhai. Done? Chinna. Not very high-fi. Let's see. Information which I need to know, that oxygen -2 preferred. Preferred oxidation state of oxygen is -2. Lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium. beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium. These people prefer +1 and +2. Fluorine shows always -1. Fluorine always -1. Apart from that, others are also there, but these are main important. Then hydrogen is there. Hydrogen shows -1 also, +1 also, depending upon the mood. What mood? With non-metals. With non-metal, hydrogen will show +1. And if you take hydrogen with metal, it shows -1. For example, I take NaH. I take NaH. Say, bhai, according to your knowledge, sodium is a metal or non-metal? According to your information, sodium is a metal. Sodium, Na, is a metal or non-metal? Acha, firstly, you know na, this is Na. If someone knows, nahi, this is nitrogen and aluminium. But this is sodium. हाँ, बिल्कुल metal, metal. तो भैया hydrogen came with a metal, तो hydrogen must be -1. So hydrogen must be -1. But the same hydrogen comes with a non-metal. According to your information, sulfur is a metal or non-metal? Sulfur is a metal or non-metal, bhai? बिल्कुल. HCl also we can take the example. 100% we can take. बिल्कुल non-metal. So now here hydrogen will be +1. So hydrogen depends upon the other person. He's a very sweet fellow, yaar. You will see this in 2 years of your career in junior inter, senior inter. Ki hydrogen is very sweet. He adjusts. Metal will come, then he adjusts. Non-metal will come, then he adjusts. Someone give electron, he will join the hand and take. Someone want electron, he will join the hand and. He's a very nice fellow. Clear? Such people in life, na, people use them a lot. So people use hydrogen a lot in chemistry also. Yeah. Sir, hydrogen for metalloid. No. Achha, with the metalloid, what will happen? Metalloid hydrogen does not react easily. If it reacts, it shows +1. You can write here non-metal or metalloid also if you want. You can write here only metalloid. It will not react. It will not react with the metalloid. No major known compound is there. But whichever the compounds are coming in the memory, like SiH4 and all these things, there the hydrogen will be +1. So metalloid behave like non-metal only when hydrogen is concerned. Chaliye bhaiya, so these are main people. Using these people, we will find the remaining oxidation state. So something to we should know na. Mathematics is logical or not? Mathematics is logical or not? Done? Logical? Okay. Logical na? Very logical. Mugging is there kya? In a logical subject like mathematics, mugging possible? Bhavan, that will come by experience and teaching. But we will see. Not today. That will come by teaching also. We will see. You can see here. This color are the colors which are given. Na, that is metal, non-metal only. Like this yellow color is metalloid. These are non-metal. But here right now our concern is not that. Our concern is right now oxidation state. So I'm not diverting to that area. I'm sticking to one point and making you explain the nearby points of that first. What's the meaning of mugging? Mugging means once Google career. Once Google mugging. 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 हाँ भाई, by hearting, बिल्कुल by hearting, memorizing. That is mugging. तो भैया mathematics तो no mugging ना? Mathematics no mugging. So tell me what is a plus b whole square? Sir, a square plus b square plus 2ab. हाँ बिल्कुल. Very good. Very good. No mugging. 8 3s are 24. You just now counted na? Just now counted. What is tan theta? What is tan theta? Tan theta in the terms of PBH. In the terms of PBH. Opposite by adjacent. ठीक है, परपेंडिकुलर बाय बेस, परपेंडिकुलर बाय बेस, करेक्ट। नो मगिंग, कहां मगिंग, मैथमेटिक्स तो नो मगिंग। बट सेम थिंग व्हेन वी से आवर स्टूडेंट इन केमिस्ट्री ना कि सर केमिस्ट्री तो मगिंग, इनऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री मगिंग, अच्छा मोर देन मैथमेटिक्स। होल टेबल्स 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 3 4, 2 3 ja 6, ja, what is ja? What is whole country saying ja? It's not ja. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. But now nursery, LKG, UKG, first, second, ja, ja. That time mugging, no one remembered. People say in mathematics, na practice. Practice means using same formula for 10 question. When you use same formula for 10 question, tell the volume of a cylinder, sir, pi r square h. We can explain कि pi r square is the area of this circle and h is the height. Then why pi r square is the area of circle? And why the volume is area into height? So that is there. Acha, physics to no mugging na yaar. Physics to you have not mugged up yaar. Because people say this, ki sir, why we have to remember this? Without information, how can you derive information? Without information, deriving information not possible. Tell me, 1 plus and 1 minus, attraction will happen or repulsion will happen between them? Plus or minus, attraction or repulsion? Attraction. Why? Ki sir, my sir said attraction to attraction. My sir said repulsion to repulsion. My sir said like charges repel each other, unlike charges attract each other, sir. Bond. Are you getting the point? So understand the difference between mugging and knowing. Difference between mugging and knowing should be clear from this stage onwards. Because you should not mug up. You should not memorize without logic. But if I don't mug up, the name of the first member here is Jashwant, then I cannot derive and get his name. Is the idea clear, bhai sahab? Arey yaar, who is doing this drama here? One second. Chaliye, that was smart board. Zoom has one more feature, smart board feature. That was a smart board. Chaliye bhai. Now focus on the board. So information required to derive information. Such information are called concept. The information that we use to derive information is called concept. Concept is there. Concept is there. Using that concept you should know now. That is called knowing the concept. Then we have to learn to apply the concept. I said also in the presentation yesterday, application we have to learn. How to apply the concept we have to learn. So this is the concept. Eventually you will learn this thing easily. But how to apply the concept, let us see. Let's take H2SO4. H2SO4. And let's say we have to find the oxidation state of sulfur. We have to find the charge, imaginary charge on sulfur, that is X. King of acids, bilkul, king of acids. Achha, do you know this is called king of acids? Do you know this is called king of acid? Yes? Central atom means atom in the middle, center. Who is sitting in the middle? Sulfur. If I say corner atom, then corner or terminal. So English hai? This is English. Hanji, sulfuric acid is king of acid, na? Acha, if I ask you, Who is the king of acid? What you will say? HClO4 or H2SO4? King of acid. King of acid. HClO4 or H2SO4? Sir, king of acid though. King of acids is H2SO4. Correct? Is H2SO4 stronger acid or HClO4 in your opinion? Who is the stronger acid according to you? Sir, you are asking. तो answer should be H2SO4, है ना? बिल्कुल HClO4, sorry, HClO4. HClO4 must be the stronger acid. Understand now, even though he is the king, he is not the strongest. Remember, this basic rule of life will be very useful in chemistry also. Whosoever is said the king, he is not the best fighter. Best fighter is Senapati. Best fighter was not Bahubali, bhai sahab. Best fighter was Katappa. What Bahubali said, ki mama, till the time you are there, no one can touch me. Understand, bhai sahab? Bilkul, Nilesh, bilkul correct dialogue. PM is more powerful than the president. So king, if you want to become king of your field, you can't be the best of your field. The best of your field. Like for example, you became doctor. You are the best doctor in the medical college. Best doctor. Best surgeon. You will never become the dean of the college. Because your requirement is in the operation theater more than the hall. Chamka bhai. This rule keep in mind, because many people remember this thing. Sir, H2SO4 is the king of acid. And then when we teach them that H2SO4 is not the strongest acid, HClO4 is strongest, then they hold their head, ki nahi sir, king, how can the king be weak? Have you seen movies and all? They show the king as fat also sometimes. So kings are like that. Now, H2SO4, like everyone have their own, bilkul 100%. Everyone have their own importance. And I'm not saying you should not become king or you should become king. That is up to you. But anyway, H2SO4 sulfur we have to find. Let's come back. Now hydrogen. What charge hydrogen will have? +1 or -1? Say bhai. +1 or -1? What charge hydrogen will have? Sir, hydrogen is coming with sulfur and oxygen. Sulfur, oxygen are metal or non-metal? Sulfur and oxygen are metal or non-metal? Non-metal, sir. Non-metals. Non-metals. Someone was asking, sir, how can I say metal? Keep in this mind, keep this thing in mind. These are metals for you. These are metals for you. Remaining for today, you can take as non-metals. Okay? Slowly, the concept will become strong, but not today. Today, you have to focus upon only these examples as metal. So +1. Why? Because remaining are non-metal. Is the idea clear? Hydrogen is +1 with non-metals like sulfur, like oxygen. So hydrogen +1. Oxygen, tell me oxygen. Oxygen -2. Oxygen preferred -2. Oxygen preferred -2, bhai. Oxygen preferred -2. Preeti, I did not understand your question. Please understand my solution. That is more important right now. I'll give you time to clarify your doubt. Oxygen -2. Hydrogen +1. Now tell, how many hydrogen? How many hydrogen? 2. 2 hydrogen. Focus everyone. 2 hydrogen with +1 charge each. Two hydrogen +1 charge each. Plus how many sulfur? 1 sulfur. How much charge? No idea. So X. We have to find X. How many oxygen? Sir, 4 oxygen. What is the charge on 1 oxygen? Sir, -2 charge. 4 oxygen, -2 charge. So overall charge 0. Sir, how 0? Can you see any charge? Use eyes. Because certain things you will not get by mugging or understanding. Certain things you will get by using eyes. Charge visible. Anywhere +- visible. Anywhere plus minus visible? Anywhere plus minus visible? No. तो overall 0. Total overall charge, overall this is totally 0. Overall charge 0. So can we find it? 2 plus x plus 4 into minus 2 is minus 8 equal to 0. Now mathematics will come and people will get out hit wicket. Up to now, because no one can bold you. You will get out hit wicket only because one answer already came. 2 plus 8, 10. Bhai, this is 2 minus 8. This is 2 minus 8. 2 minus 8 is minus 6, chacha. 2 minus 8 is minus 6 and x minus 6 is 0. So x equal to plus 6 will come. Kuncham, chinna mathematics is there. Chinna. Now you have to tell your doubt. I can explain again after 2 minutes. But firstly, tell your doubts. Preeti, that is wrong. Hydrogen does not belong to any group. But that you will learn in the periodic table chapter. Why all charge is equal to 0? Dekho bhai. Why overall 0? I'll tell you. Why overall 0? Focus. I'll come back to this page. Don't worry. If I say Cl minus, what is the charge you can see? What charge you can see? I'll come back. Don't worry. I said now after 2-3 minutes I will explain again. Chill, relax. That's my job. I will explain. That's my job. Don't worry. Charge minus 1, correct? Acha. SO4 2 minus. What is the charge? What is the charge you can see with your eyes? Which charge you can see with your eyes? Minus 2. H2O. What charge can you see? Sir, no charge. Sir, charge ekada undi. So charge ledu. Similarly, what charge can you see here? What charge can you see here? In H2SO4, any charge you can see on the top? That's why I'm saying overall charge 0. Overall charge 0. First point clear? Done. Sir, what if oxygen have charged minus 2? Wait. One example over, then we'll go to next example also. Don't worry. Hanji, up to here any problem? One example with overall. हाँ. Bhai sahab. Second example will come after first na yaar. So firstly, first example has to be completely over. Everyone should understand. Bilkul. Ashrita, you will get in the groups. Link will come in the group, but right now focus here. Link will come in the group, but right now focus here. Okay? Today, I will just give you revision of the notebook as homework. Next class, I will give you assignment. Tomorrow assignment will come for you. Why? Because today I'm making your basics clear. Then I will give you some more examples. In 20 minutes, I cannot give you enough examples so that you can do the assignment. Next class, enough examples will come. After that, to bindas solve the assignment, clarify your doubts. So should we consider 0 or 6? Beta dekho, 0 is overall and plus 6 is on sulfur. Sulfur is plus 6. Think in this way. There are 3 people. Hydrogen, sulfur, oxygen. Hydrogen made a profit of 1 rupee. So 2 hydrogen, 2 rupees profit. Sulfur profit 6. So total profit came 8 rupees. Oxygen nalayak. Nalayak means useless. Oxygen useless person. This chadda person made a loss of 2 rupees. Loss. And 4 oxygen there. So total loss 8 rupees. So they gained 8. He lost 8. So overall came 0. So understand 6 is not the charge on H2SO4. 6 is the charge on, imaginary charge on sulfur. Viliginda bhai. Done. It is not a formula. It is not a formula. It's a common sense. Now, I will explain one more, bhai. Preeti, I just now explained why the sum is taken as 0. You are not listening carefully. I just now explained कि here you can see minus, here you can see 2 minus, here you cannot see any charge. No charge. No charge. So, bhai, if you cannot see any charge here, 0 charge is there. Similarly, here also you cannot see any charge. At the top here, any charge unda? Preeti. At the top here, charge unda? Preeti, reply. Charge unda? ఇక్కడ పైన చార్జ్ ఉందా? పైన లోపల? లోపలనా? नहीं లోపల नहीं, లోపల means inside. పైన means up. పైన means up. अरे तेलुगु तो बोला यार, तेलुगु I don't know यार. పైన means up ना? हाँ, तो పైన चार्ज ఉందా? లేదు. तो चार्ज లేదు. तो overall 0. No charge. See one more example. देखो भाई, those who did not understand this previous example, see one more example. You will understand. Don't worry. Chill, relax, relax your brain. Do meditation and listen carefully. Keep calm and chill and read. This chlorine, we have to find oxidation state. For chlorine, we have to find how much is the charge on chlorine. Say, bhai, what is the preferred oxidation state of oxygen? Understand, this minus is not the charge on oxygen. It is the overall charge. So overall charge is minus, bhai. People think, sir, ClO4 minus means O has minus. O does not have minus. Overall, total ClO4 has -1. क्या बात है? Correct answer also started coming. Sanjeet, one more time do calculation, bhai. You have done the same mistake that I told you here not to do. Minus plus, plus minus you have to see properly. Otherwise, method you are applying correct. देखिए भाई, तो chlorine X, oxygen prefer -2. Say yes or no? Oxygen preferred -2. Oxygen preferred -2. अरे भाई, if chlorine we don't know, oxygen prefer -2. Can I say 1 chlorine charge X? 1 chlorine into charge X plus 4 oxygen, 4 oxygen -2 charge. Imaginary charge -2, oxidation state -2. Say bhai, overall understood? Chlorine contribution, how much chlorine giving? Sir, I don't know. X. How much oxygen giving? Sir, oxygen give -2, sir. Oxygen give -2, so 4 oxygen giving -8. Yes or no? Now understand. Overall charge is not 0. Overall charge is not 0, bhai. Overall charge is this time for a change -1. Chlorine had X, oxygen had -2. Total their net resultant overall coming -1. Say bhai, in writing this equation, if any confusion is there, in writing this equation, any confusion is there, what we are doing? Focus bhai. Any problem unda? Why did I write -1? Because question was this. ClO4 minus. That means total chlorine and oxygen, total, their charge is minus. So total, this minus is the overall charge. So overall charge to -1 na? In the previous question, 0 was there. In the previous question, Anisha, in the previous question, charge unda. Anisa, charge unda. Previous question. Anisa, no. So that's why not taken. This question lo at the top charge unda. Paina charge unda. Yes, to take. Then bhai, someone asked what's the meaning of overall. Overall means total. Overall charge means total charge. Chlorine plus oxygen total combined. Nalgu oxygen and Vakti chlorine combined overall at the top total charge minus. So bhai, x minus 8 is minus 1. Minus 8 will go there, become plus 8. So minus 1 plus 8, that is 8 minus 1 will be 7. So the oxidation state or imaginary charge, oxidation state or imaginary charge of chlorine is plus 7. Chalo, try one more question. Try N2H5 plus. You have to find for nitrogen. And hydrogen is obviously here with a non-metal. Hydrogen will be plus 1. With a non-metal, hydrogen will be plus 1. Hanji. Try. Minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. People are giving answer as minus 2. 6 also coming. 6 to why not possible? 6 not possible. 6 not possible. Why not possible? Because nitrogen is 15 group. Highest possible is 5 here. How can your answer be more than 5? Concept should be strong. Chaliye, many students got the answer. Let's try. Nitrogen is X. So 2 times of X. See what I'm doing on the board? Everyone see what I'm doing on the board? 2 times of X. 2 times of X. X is the charge on nitrogen. Imaginary. I'm taking as X. Can you please post the notes in the group? Okay, I can post. But right now to listen. I will post. But right now listen. So nitrogen charge is X. How many nitrogen? 2 nitrogen. So total how much will come? 2x. 1 nitrogen X. So 2 nitrogen 2x. Plus. Hydrogen is plus 1. Hydrogen is plus 1. Plus 1. Plus 1 hydrogen. How many are there? 5 are there. 5 people are there. Plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. So total 5. Overall charge, total charge, bhai. Total charge is how much? So sir, total charge is this time plus 1. This time the total charge is plus 1. So I will solve it. 2x plus 5 equal to plus 1. So 2x equal to 1 minus 5. 2x equal to minus 4. So x will be minus 2. Bilkul correct answer. 100% correct answer you have given. 100% correct answer. Check. Guvera, focus on the board. Plus 1 is the total charge, beta, not 0. 0, dekho, if I say N2H4, charge unda, Guvara, something name is there. Charge unda, 0. So here RHS will be 0. But here we have plus 1 charge here. Understood? Sir, can it be in form of fraction? Bilkul, answer can come in the form of fraction also. Bilkul 100% will come. Wait na. Now coming 9 minutes, we have to do these examples only. Each example is taking 1 minute. So eventually, minimum 9 more examples you will see. So all types of question will come. Clear, bhai? So don't worry. Understood the idea, bhai? Even if one example you understood properly, everything will be clear. Why oxygen is 2? Bas kar diya kaam. Started drama now. Started the drama. This much I explained कि भाई some basic things you have to remember in maths also, physics also. Now someone woke up and said, sir, oxygen minus 2, why? Because Pansar said, that's why. So then whatever you will say will happen kya? Nahi, whatever will happen I will say. So take minus 2 always. This fact you should remember. Clear bhai? Chalo, one more example try. Chalo, simple, chinna simple example, simple example. Find X. Find the oxidation state of nitrogen now. Pujita, use eyes. Use eyes. If you see the question, it is right in front of you, visible, very clearly visible. I have to become Khabi for it. It's visible. Why the charge is minus? Visible. Bilkul, -1/3. Pujita, focus on the board and check. X is the charge on nitrogen. X is the charge on nitrogen. Oxidation state we say. So X into how many nitrogen? How many nitrogen have X? 3 nitrogen. 3 nitrogen have X and overall -1. So how you know overall -1? Because I have 4 eyes. I can see -1. So I will write -1. Getting high? You are thinking some method is there, sir is knowing by some method. Sir, by method, some method plus 1 came. No, it was given. Sir, -1 came by, it was given. Sir, 0 came by, no, it is not given to 0. Clear, bhai? So -1. So X equal to -1/3. Many of you got correct answer only. Is the idea clear? No. Mohammad Shabbir or someone is there. Mohammad Saab, what have you done, bhai? 3 you shifted there and you added. Arey bhai, multiply was there, to divide on the right side, na yaar? Bhai Saab, Miliginda? One more. Someone was asking some fractional possible. So देखो possible. Imaginary charge so anything possible. One more example. Bhai. One more example. Chalo. NH4 plus. For nitrogen you have to find. For nitrogen you have to find NH4 plus. Find the oxidation state of nitrogen. अरे क्या बात है. अब यार, you will make me cry क्या यार on the first day. अरे यार, this emotional day has come यार. बताओ यार. All answers started coming correct. This does not happen in normal class also यार. चलो, correct. 1/4. भाई, sorry भाई, sorry. Don't do this much. I'm sorry if I hurted your feeling, but this revenge you will take. क्या 1/4? देखिए भाई, firstly hydrogen. Come back to the concept. Hydrogen is -1 with metal. These are the metal. Otherwise, hydrogen is +1. Now, metals are lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium. Acha, one more trick I will tell. One more trick. Let's go to class 6th. Because if foundation course will come in class 6th, what I will teach. देखो. Gen, on. These people are generally non-metals. Nitrogen, oxygen, argon, On. These are generally non-metal. Only 3 people are there. Whose names are not going to follow this rule. Copper, silver, gold. Because they are very old metals. They used to be used before science also as the currency. Copper, silver, gold. Done. Iron also, iron, copper, silver, gold. For these people, the rule will not be valid. But for remaining people, na, the metal name ends with em or em or lithium, sodium, potassium, beryllium, magnesium, em or will give you metal. Is the idea clear? Someone was asking how to find metal, non-metal. This is also one of the way. Is the idea clear, bhai? Done. Now NH4 plus we have to find. So NH4 plus. What about fluorine? हाँ तो in on jan. In on jan. In on jan. Oganesson. Very good question. Pavan, Oganesson. According to my logic, Oganesson should be metal, non-metal. Pavan, Oganesson. New element is there. Oganesson. Non-metal, so it is non-metal. It is a noble gas. Here, helium, neon, argon, krypton. Helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon. You should have said, sir, helium. Why helium? That is the problem only. Understood? Old currencies, zinc also is the old currency. Old currencies, they got their name in the beginning, old metal. When Stone Age was there, after that, Metal Age came na. During that time, whatever the metals were discovered, at that time, they did not, IUPAC was not there. When IUPAC was not there, their rules will not be followed. Understood? IUPAC came, then whichever the new elements were discovered, they kept their name as EM, M, they changed also some name. Chaliye. So let's carry on. NH4 plus, so hydrogen, but that is not the concern right now. That is not the concern right now. The concern is, yeah, nomenclature. This is class 6th, 7th things. Clear? Old metals will not follow this rule, but general rule is this. General rule. Now focus here. Focus here. Now with nitrogen, nitrogen is a non-metal. So hydrogen will be +1. Hydrogen will be +1. So if you take hydrogen as +1, nitrogen X plus 4 into +1, overall charge. हाँ भाई, what charge visible? Overall, total overall, what charge visible? +1, +1, +1, बिल्कुल. तो overall +1. तो X plus 4 equal to +1. So X equal to 1 minus 4, that is -3, and that was the answer for almost everyone except 1 or 2. Viliginda, one more. CO3 Rendu minus, for carbon you have to find. CO3 2 minus, find for carbon. +8 यार, 8 तो यार, अरे भाई, ओ भैया, हेलो, 8 तो today's lecture not even there. Highest तो 7. How you got 8? Magicians. चलिए, let's see. तो कार्बन X plus. What is a general preferred oxidation state of oxygen? So preferred oxidation state of oxygen is -2, correct? So how many oxygen? Sir, 3 oxygen. Charge on each oxygen? Sir, -2. Overall, total charge. Total how much is there? Sir, total is -2. Total is -2. So what will come? X minus 6 equal to -2. X equal to -2 plus 6. That is +4. +4. Clear? Kuncham clear, bhai? Little better? Little better? So next class we will continue more examples in next class, same place, same time, only on Zoom app. चलिए अहमद, ओके, गुड नाइट। हाँ जी, तो यू कैन टेक, आई थिंक माई व्हाट्सएप नंबर इज देयर विद यू बिकॉज 3 of the groups I only created. Gift 3, 4, 5 group I created. Group 1 and 2 I am the admin. But anyway, which number is there with you? That number I will have to give, otherwise in different WhatsApp doubts will come. So gift ikra. चलिए भाई, तो the number which you have is 790-609-4041. डन भैया? भाई देखो, स्पीड ऑफ द क्लास ना बेटा, स्पीड ऑफ द क्लास always depend upon average and below average slower students. Keep that in mind always, because someday you will understand better, but some days you will also be that slower one, and at that time now you will want the teacher to slow for you, because sometimes internet connection falls, sometimes in the online class internet connection falls for some people are attending the class from villages, so we have to see all those things. So if slow class is going on, it is good for all because everyone will understand, but fast is going on, only some will understand. Then what's the gift? क्यों भाई? चलिए भैया, so my name is Saurabh Pant. My name is Saurabh Pant. Someone don't know my name. My name is Saurabh Pant. I teach chemistry. चलिए, okay then. Tata, bye bye. Good night. Good night. Have food. Sleep properly. Notes I will send in the group. Bye bye. Good night. Good night. Good night.